Hello Ghislain, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a person video for this 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. This motorcycle, this is American motorcycle, has 8,461 miles and 20 prices, 24,888 plus HST and license. This motorcycle is fully safety certified, passed all the tests standard here in Canada. It comes with the engine guards and a sporty windshield. And also this motorcycle comes with the saddlebags, easy to access to them, with this nice lever on the side and good size to long trips. This motorcycle is available in our showroom and it's ready to be on the road. And also this motorcycle comes with a beautiful pipes, piston high pipes. It's very clean. If you have some more questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.